How to check your hours on Paylocity. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check your hours on Paylocity. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and log in to Paylocity by entering your company ID, username, and your password. Once logged in, select Clock In option. Look at the time entry on your self-service portal. Note that the screen will come up automatically 2 at times. Now, understand your position. Every position is comprised of 3 components, that is POS suffix, area ORG, and fund PROG. So, understand your position. Next step is your timesheet. You can locate your timesheet by launching Time and Labor from your self-service portal. You can also find it below, or you may use the gray box located in the upper left-hand corner. Also, pull down the gray box and select Time and Labor. Next, clock out after you have completed work for your position, and before you approve your time card, make sure your time worked is going to the correct POS, FCUFF, area ORG, and fund program. Also, if you have any questions, please contact your supervisor, the financial aid office, or the payroll department for assistance. So, this is how you can check your hours on Paylocity. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.